After you've removed the stainless shelves and have access to the panel below, remove that and find where the driver is plugged in and unplug that. After that, you're going to have to find some kind of flat object to pry up the existing switch and pull that up to gain access to the cords. Now, underneath the switch is split into two. It goes into two different little blocks there. Remove both of those, like so. You may find that the switch wire is bundled up underneath there. That may be a problem. You might have to cut that out, the existing switch. So once you got that done, remove the actual switch from the wires. The switch itself is too big to fit and pull through. So what you're going to have to do is tape the existing wires to your new switch wires and pull them backwards through to get access to those. All right, so once those are taped up, you can feed that down through the switch hole. Go underneath, reach down there, and pull that existing wire through to get access to what you just taped up. There's that new switch wire getting pulled in. Untape the old from the new, and then you've got your new two connectors. Split those apart, plug those into the two ports, one over there and one there. That's the main terminal block to the driver. So this is the first one. This is the terminal block that the switch goes into, and the LED lights actually go into the other side of this switch. You shouldn't have to mess with those. Get that plugged in, then go over to the driver terminal, which should have no other connections in it. So then the switch would go directly into that, and everything should be connected at that point. All right, from here it's just a matter of pushing the new switch into place. And if everything went right, that bad boy should fire up. Reassemble the bagel case and you're good to go.